Hi, I'm Justin from T2K, and in this video we will be taking a quick look around the 3CX smartphone app to find out where everything is. I'll be guiding you around using an iPhone, but the interface is almost identical for Android, so everything you see here will be relevant. Let's get started. Along the bottom of the screen is the main menu, with buttons that you can tap to navigate through the main sections. The first is Team. In the Team page we can see all of our colleagues on the phone system, along with their current availability, for example if they're currently on a call or in Do Not Disturb. Calling our colleagues is as simple as tapping on their avatar like so. If you have many colleagues on your 3CX phone system, you can scroll up and down the list or search for the person you wish to call by typing in any part of their name in the search box at the top. The next section is Contacts. This will display all of the names and numbers that are stored within the 3CX phone book, together with the contacts stored on your mobile phone. Your mobile phone contacts are not shared with anyone else on 3CX and remain private to you, but it is handy to have access to them as you'll be able to easily call them from 3CX. Next is the Keypad. This is the default landing page within the app, and you can simply dial digits from here. If you wish to call someone from your contacts, you can also tap on the magnifying glass icon to bring up a list of contacts to search. Now we'll take a look at Recents. This is where you can see all the calls that you have made, received or missed. For more information about any of your calls, tap on the three dots icon to reveal the contact and call details. Missed calls are highlighted in red, and you can also filter this list down to just review the missed calls by tapping on the filter button at the top. To call anyone back on your recent calls, just tap on their row like this. Moving on to the chat window, you can actively manage your text conversations just as you would with SMS or WhatsApp on your mobile. To go into a conversation, scroll through the list and simply tap on the row that you require. Finally, on the bottom menu is Voicemail. Tapping here will bring you to the visual voicemail page where you can review and manage any messages that have been left for you. Tapping on the call will enable you to listen to the message, but for more options, tap on the three dots icon to the right hand side. You can delete voicemails by swiping to the left on the message and then tapping delete. Moving to the top of the screen, on the left we have the hamburger menu, which is represented by three horizontal lines. Within this menu you can reach some of the advanced features such as accounts, meeting, call recordings and more. Over to the top right you'll find two further icons. The first one is a person wearing a headset, and this allows you to log in and out of call queues. If the icon is blue, you are logged in. If it's black, you are logged out. Tapping on this, you will have to confirm that you wish to log out or vice versa. The final button is the coloured square that is your availability. Tapping on this opens up the call forwarding menu where you can easily select and manage your different availability statuses. We'll cover this in detail in another video as it's a very powerful feature of the 3CX system. And that's it for this video. We'll cover every aspect of the 3CX smartphone in separate videos, so please do check them out. If you found this video useful, please click on the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.